video games, even virtual reality. You are merely a player in a world that is not your own. Supersuit lets you become you in a world limited only by your imagination. Forged from technology light years away, powered by the energy inside you. Get ready to dawn. The Supersuit. Supersuit is the world's first wearable gaming platform and uses new sci-fi technology to communicate suit to suit, so they work anywhere. The Super Vest is its power core. It lights up, makes sound, and has haptic feedback letting you feel when you get hit. The Super Glove is the tool to activate special abilities. Its engaged gesture technology gives you the power to unleash shockwaves, generate force fields, and much more. Inside every suit is a special Super Bot, which act as allies boosting your defense, zap your opponents, or be the goal of the game. Stocked full of a variety of games at launch, gives Supersuit the ability to be experienced single or multiplayer. Like in Supersuit's take on Capture the Flag, the suit's bots become goals sought after by opposing team members. And in its flagship strategy game, Robin Hood, players use the Supersuit's give and take features to steal resources from the rich team and give them to the poor team. With Supersuit, the more you play, the more powerful you become. Instead of leveling up a character, you level up, rewarding you with new powers and gestures as your abilities increase. And tracking those powers is done in the app, where you can monitor current level, compare scores and active minutes, and download new games. Inside Supersuit exists a new world of gaming. Get ready to unlock your potential. Get ready to don the Supersuit and live the game.
TC Rallies, the next generation of app-controlled RC cars available from Griffin, where virtual and real-world racing collide. Tear up the track with Moto TC Rally's ultra-realistic driving experience. Impact sensors on each bumper detect virtual damage to your car. Crashes and bumps affect how your rally performs, just like in real life. Buckle up and start your engines. Hit the gas with multiple ways to drive. Set up the lap counter and race against the clock. Drive solo or with friends in bump and run. No remote or extra batteries required. Drive and race right from your compatible iPhone. Your car's performance and add-ons are completely customizable. Add speed or protective armor, but be careful, the armor will weigh you down. As you drive, you'll earn bonuses and attacks that keep you in the lead against your friends. Dish out attacks to tamper and randomize your opponent's controls, slow them down with a snare, and earn bonuses like damage repair, virtual crash shields, or turbo boost to speed right through to the finish line. Authentic real-life rally car design, shock-absorbing, fully independent suspension, turn on a dime with Rally's proportional steering, powerful rear-wheel drive, light up the track with headlights and ground effects lighting. Touch-controlled racing just got real. Moto TC Rally from Griffin, available now.
Imagination is a beautiful thing. It's the source of our big ideas, and it makes us want to bring them to life. Introducing Cell Robot, a modular robot built to inspire the mind. It uses cells as components that allow you to build and expand your robot into many forms. The cells are powered by a heart, a lithium-ion battery that provides power to the cell as soon as it's connected, giving life to your robot. Choose from the many dozens of pre-designed robots from the Shape Library. Follow the helpful tutorials to walk you through construction. Easily combine cells together through a twist and lock motion. Then control your cell robot from the app. Additional accessories allow you to expand your ideas further by adding wheels, a mount, and even a camera. And you don't just need to stick to the instructions. In custom mode, you can build anything you can imagine. Program movements for each individual cell using custom mode in the app. Then, watch it go. What you make is up to you. Cell Robot is an extension of your imagination, a platform for combining building with creativity. Share your imagined inventions and inspire your friends. What will you build?
gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Please turn off all your electronic devices now.
6207, contact at 175 and 72 miles. It's on the flight of 2, Angels 10. Where's up? So bogies appear to be coming, jinking to the right now, heading north. Speed 430, Angels 5,000 now in the descent.